Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay text message. To begin, open your Messages app and choose the contact you want to send money to. Look for the Apple Pay icon, which is a blue circle with a white A and two cards, and tap it. Next, simply enter the specific amount you wish to send. You can send up to $10,000 in a single transaction, making it convenient for various payment needs. After entering the amount, take a moment to carefully review the details, ensuring both the amount and the recipient are correct. Once you are certain, tap the Pay button to confirm the transaction. For your security, you will then be prompted to authenticate the payment using your preferred method, whether that's Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode. This step ensures only you can authorize the transfer. When you send money, the recipient will see the payment appear directly in their Messages conversation. If they are new to Apple Cash, they might need to accept the terms and conditions to receive the funds. Once accepted, the money is automatically added to their Apple Cash card. From there, they can use it for purchases, send it to others, or transfer it to their bank account, typically within 1 to 3 business days. Remember, both the sender and receiver must have Apple Cash enabled on their Apple devices to use this feature. You can send or receive a maximum of $10,000 in a single transaction, offering flexibility for larger payments. Funds received can be easily transferred to a linked bank account, with most transfers completing within 1 to 3 business days. It's a secure and efficient way to manage personal payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.